There are various ways to solve this problem. It says distance is in meters, time is in seconds, ball is thrown upward in the air, right? And height is h, t is time. So ball goes up first and comes down. So it's a parabolic shape, right? The journey starts from t equal to 0 and ends at t equals to 4. Now first part says find the h prime t. For the derivative, we know the formula for the derivative of any a times x raised to the power n. That is, a is constant number, so it comes out as a times n times x raised to the power n minus 1, reduce one power. So here if I take the derivative of ht, I will get negative 5 as it is, but for t squared the derivative will be what? 2t. Then plus sign for the second term 20t. The derivative is going to be 20 only because the derivative of t with respect to t will become 1. What about constant number? The derivative of constant is 0 always. So this is the derivative. If you want, you can simplify it further. What is that? Negative 10t plus 20 is the answer to the first part. Now in the second part, it says find the maximum height attained. Maximum height is attained at what? Vertex of the parabola, right? And if you have either upward facing or downward facing parabola given by ax squared plus bx plus c, like this is our fx, let's say, then the x coordinate of the vertex is given by minus b over 2a that you can use. Okay, so either the maximum or the minimum value, okay, for that quadratic always lies at this value of x. This is x value, right? We have to find the maximum height, not the time at which this happened, right? So let's first find time and then use that time to get the maximum height. So here I will take my required time will be t equals minus of b over 2a. So b is what? From the original expression, I have to check this. I will get minus of 20 divided by 2 times negative 5, which comes out as 2, right? Negative 20 by negative 10, 2. So it means after 2 seconds, the ball will take its maximum height. So what is that maximum height? For finding that maximum height, just plug in that x time equals to 2 seconds back to the original expression. We have the original expression over here, this h of t, in that put time as 2 seconds. So I will get negative 5 times 2 squared plus 20 times 2 plus 4. Now simplify it. So you will get minus 20 plus 40 plus 4. That is 24. So this 24 meter is the maximum height attained by the ball. Some students feel difficulty in applying the concepts to the question. Sometimes they get stuck. So I am going to tell you how to apply those concepts in the questions. I'll make it very easy for you. So if you are in middle year program, IBDP, MAI, HL, SL, MAA, HL, SL, AP Calculus, ABBC or any engineering math course, feel free to connect with us. You can contact us using this WhatsApp number or you can call us using this. You can also scan this QR code with WhatsApp to get connected with us. You can join our courses with flexible timings and one-on-one or group sessions are available, or custom exam preparation where either you can choose for the full year course or few classes for your exam preparation. So scan the code, book your free demo today.